what I would say to anybody that is considering hiring Kepler for their project is that would be a wise decision. My name is Leann Taylor, and I am the President and Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of KetaMD. KetaMD is a HIPAA-compliant telemedicine platform providing at-home ketamine treatments for people dealing with depression, anxiety, and related mental health conditions. We were looking for a software partner who could help us build a secure, HIPAA-compliant telemedicine platform. I am very my expectations have been completely exceeded with the team that Kepler has assembled, from our business analysts to our project managers to our development team and management. I've had the most productive and effective development process with Kepler that I've had with any developer that I've ever worked with. And KetaMD was recently acquired by Braxia Scientific. Obviously, we were showing our technology, the app we were developing as we were bringing it into fruition, as it was getting to our launch date. And they were very impressed by the app, what it did, the client experience itself, our backend processes and workflow. And I think that played a very key part in their decision to move forward with the acquisition of KetaMD.